Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class, Standard 7th, Unit 1, Civics, Women Empowerment. That is different topics about women. Introduction. Feminism is not about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It is about changing the way of world perceives that strength. The story of women's struggle for equality belongs to no single feminist nor to any one organization, but to the collective efforts of all who care about human rights. You educate man, you educate man. You educate a woman, you educate a generation. To call women the weaker sex is a libel. It is man's injustice to women. Mahatma Gandhi. The empowerment and autonomy of women and the empowerment of their political, social, economic and health status is a highly important end in itself. In addition, it is essential for the achievement of sustainable development. Women's empowerment and achieving gender equality is essential for our society to ensure the sustainable development of country. Social aspect of gender. Sociology of gender. In sociology, we make a distinction between sex and gender. Sex is a biological trait that societies use to assign people into the category of either male or female. When people talk about difference between men and women, they are often drawing on sex or rigid ideas of biology rather than gender, which is an understanding of how society shapes our understanding of those biological categories. Gender. Gender is more fluid. It may or may not depend upon biological traits. More specially, it is a concept that describes how society determines and manages sex categories. The cultural meaning attached to men's and women's roles, and how individuals understand their identities, including but not limited to being a man, women, transgender, and other gender positions. Gender involved social norms, attitudes, and activities that society views as more appropriate for one sex over another. Gender is also determined by what an individual feels and does. The sociology of gender examines how society influences our understandings and perception of difference between masculinity, what society views appropriate behavior for a man, and femininity, that society views appropriate behavior for women. We examine how this in turn influence identity and social practices. The essential factors for empowerment are education, gender discrimination. Education that gives one the ability to think wisely and take thoughtful decisions. Gender discrimination. A society which discriminates between the two genders can never be empowered. Discrimination based on caste, creed, religion, etc. Women's education. Education is one of the most important means of empowering women with the knowledge, skills, and self-confidence necessary to participate fully in the development process. More than 40 years ago, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights asserted that everyone has a right to education. Educating the girl, educating the girl child produces mother who are educated and who will in turn educate their children, care for their families, and provide the children care and support. The girl child needs to be educated to acquire knowledge and skills needed to advance her status for social interaction and self empowerment. Sustainability and progress of all regions depend on the success of women across the globe. As a former president, Barack Obama said while addressing in 2012, the future must not belong to those who bully women. It must be shaped by the girls to go who go to school and those who stand for a world where our daughters can live their dreams just like our sons. Let us recall that point. So women empowerment, it is a major create about women's education and another essential factors for women empowerment. Thank you.